Hi, Mare, happy birthday. Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. May this special milestone be filled with joy, laughter, and cherished memories with loved ones. Again, maligayang kaarawan, Mare. Salamat.
Hi Ate Helen, happy birthday. 60 years old ka na pala ngayon. Sana maging humaba pa buhay mo at maging malakas ka. At nandito lang kami. Nandito rin si Mama, nangangamusta sa'yo. Happy 60th birthday daw. Yun lang po yung masasabi ko. Wala na akong maisip.
Hi, my buntang hiling. Happy birthday, guys. Buwan ka na karoon, 60 birthday.
Senior na siya.
Senior ka na pala.
May 20% discount ka na.
Baka na kayo ni senior. May libreng buwan, kahit na doon sa City Hall. Senior, birthday ni mo.
Good health.
Happy birthday, guys. Sabah.
Helen, greetings from Utah, USA. It's Susie here. I wish you the best and the fantabulous 60th birthday celebration. Enjoy your day, have fun, and cheers!
Here's to joy, love, and laughter.
Hi Tita! Happy birthday! Wish ko po sa inyo is good health. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat. See you soon. I miss you, Tita. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. Enjoy your day and sana po bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay and good health na rin. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po ate. Ingat po palagi sa work. God bless po.
May all your wishes come true.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Helen. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your days. Greetings from UCC Guards.
In the darkness,
Happy 60th birthday, LG Toledo. Ingat palagi. God bless.
Morning, ayan, binabati po kita Ate Helen ng happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw sa iyong kaarawan. At sana lagi kang nasa magandang pangangatawan. At lagi pong mag-iingat sa lahat ng oras. Ayan, happy birthday po sa iyo.
happy birthday.
Hello to Helen, happy birthday po. Happy 60th birthday. God bless you. Thank you sa pagiging pangalawang nanay sa akin sa UCC. Miss ko na kayo dyan. Happy birthday po. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday Ate Helen. Happy 60th birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, stay healthy and beautiful. Sana magkasama pa tayo palagi sa UCC. Maraming salamat palagi sa'yo sa day inilibre mo kami. Salamat po. Happy birthday.
You shine like the morning sun. Here's to joy, love, and laughter. And a year full of fun.
Take care always. Mag-ingat ka sa trabaho mo. Dito lang ako as your friend. Enjoy your day. Miss you and love you. Mwah.
Here's to joy.
Ate Helen, happy 60th birthday po. May babati din po sa inyo. Go.
Happy birthday, Ate Helen. May all nice to meet you, Ellen. And what is your name, Tita Ellen?
Your name,
With your kindness and your
Balista.
the apo of Lola Jenny.
Apo.
A smile
The only one
on
apo
every
of
face.
Ate ni Jenny. Sige, sabihin mo ulit, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I nice to meet you and I love something for you. I have your cell phone.
Today's your special day, and we're here to say, may all your dreams come true in every single way. Happy birthday, you shine like the morning sun. Here's to joy, love, and laughter, and a year full of fun.
Good health and happy life and happy years to more to come.
Happy
God bless
birthday,
sa'yo.
you shine like the morning sun. Here's to joy, love, and laughter, and a year full of fun. So we raise a toast to you for all the great things you do. Happy birthday, dear. May all your wishes come
Happy birthday
true.
po, Ate Helen. Dami na 60 years old po. Thank you po sa lahat. Kada po, ang pinaka-memorable po namin sa inyo, kada Pasko. Hindi niyo po kami kinakalimutan. Kaya po, maraming salamat po. Happy birthday po.
So we raise a toast to you.
Happy birthday, nak. I love you. Di man ko kaanha diha kay layo man. Oh, pagamping ra ka diha.
May all your wishes come true.